Hi all, Kane from Get Vanos Parts here. Interesting situation. I received a core back from our S65, S85 throttle actuator assemblies here. They already had their gears replaced. Their gears cracked. And the problem is that these companies are basically creating a D shape out of these D gear shafts. This is a D gear. In time, it actually broke the gear. See? Interesting. So, big difference between our gears and this. I wouldn't put this in my car. So this is the difference. This is ours. These are metal gears. These are fantastic. The D gear, also very nice quality. Never have to worry about wearing or going bad in these. So if you want your throttle actuators rebuilt or you want to just buy the gears, getvanosparts.com and we'll take care of you.
Get Vanos Parts by Beisan Systems. Vanos and Vehicle Systems Solutions manufacturer for BMW vehicles.